Hey guys, John Richards here. In this video, we're going to talk about how to lose weight in 3 easy steps. Okay, I want to go ahead and get into it here. The first step in losing weight, first of all, what I would say is this. Losing weight is not that complicated. It's not that complicated, and I think you're going to find with these 3 steps, it can be pretty easy. I think most people overcomplicate it, overthink it. So first step, the most important step is nutrition. If you have your nutrition in check, you're pretty much there. And then we're going to add in some exercise. I'm going to share with you what I do there. But nutrition is first. That's 90% of weight loss. And that starts with some kind of a plan. You want to have a nutrition plan. You don't want to just, okay, I eat 3, 4, 5 meals, whatever it is, with no plan, no rhyme or reason. So in my case, if I want to lose weight, I make sure I sit down, I develop a plan, I have a weight loss goal, okay? And then I have a process. What's that look like? And I create a plan. I eat clean 6 days per week per plan, allowing 1 free day on Saturday. That way I know Monday through Friday, and then Sunday I'm eating according on this plan, which for me it's an 18-hour fast, and we'll talk about that on future videos. So I know exactly what I need to do. You can't leave it to chance. You say, well, I'm going to eat clean. What's that really mean? People don't. How do you eat clean? Eating clean for one person is different for another, right? So you got to make sure you have a plan. I'm not going to eat sugar. I'm not going to eat white bread. I'm not going to eat white potatoes. I'm not going to drink diet soda. Whatever it is, I'm going to drink strictly water. I'm going to drink a gallon of water. Have that all written out. That way you don't really have to think about it. Okay. Then the second step, and we all know this, you got to exercise. Okay, and it doesn't have to be a lot. I mean, for me, when I started out 25 years ago, and I'll tell you, 25 years ago, I was in miserable shape, man. I had hit bottom, and I was I was like 60 pounds overweight, 40% body fat. I just got divorced, and I just felt like crap. And finally, I got myself to go to the gym, and they put me on a proper nutrition supplementation plan. We'll talk about that here in just a second. And a workout plan. The workout, I only worked out 4 days a week, and then I did 30 minutes cardio after each workout. Now, I did more cardio because I wanted it really bad, and that's one of the big things. You got to have a big enough reason and a purpose that you want to lose weight, but don't overthink it. Don't make it too hard. Make it something you can do on your worst day. So you want to have some kind of an exercise plan. So, like I said, 25 years ago for me, I was in my 30s. I worked out with weights 4 days per week, and then after each weight workout, I completed 30 minutes of cardio. Now I work out with weights 6 days per week, and I complete 30 minutes of cardio, after my weight workout. You always want to do your cardio after your weight workout, because if you do it before, you kind of burnt yourself out a little bit, so you're not going to be able to lift as intense. So that's the reason for that. That's what my trainer shared with me many moons ago, and it's always worked for me. And then step three is supplementation. You should supplement. Like if you're going to eat 5, 6 meals, or if you're going to do intermittent fasting, whatever it is, it's hard to eat all that food. So I do whey protein, and so I make sure that's a supplement. That's a supplement to the food I eat. So I make sure I have whey protein, and then I take vitamins. I take a multivitamin, and my wife actually knows the science behind all this other stuff, but I take a pretty good handful of vitamins every day that's been researched, and we decide, okay, we don't need these, but we need these. And you can do the research on your own, and maybe at some point I'll do a video on that. But so the 3 steps basically pretty simple. Again, don't overthink this. Step 1, you want to make sure you get your nutrition in check. It's got to be a planned nutrition. So you want to have yourself an outcome goal, and you want to know what that process is. And then you want to have a written nutrition plan. Like in my case, I eat clean 6 days per week, allowing 1 free day on Saturday. I believe in a free day, maybe in a free meal. Now, if that keeps throwing you off, then you maybe want to get rid of that. But I think you need to have something to look forward to. And everybody I follow, and even the Body for Life, Bill Phillips did many moons ago, he always had the free day. Okay, and then secondly, you want to exercise, whatever that is, and have that, designed and planned out again. I believe in putting all this on a calendar. If it's workout 2 days a week, maybe it's just walk outside 5 days a week. whatever it is, it's a written plan. It's not something I get up this morning and say, well, I can do this exercise part, so I'm going to go ahead and do whatever. You should have a plan for that. In my case, again, it was work out 4 days per week with weights, followed with by 30 minutes of cardio. And then lastly, of course, you want to have a supplement plan, a planned supplement. Don't just, okay, I'm going to do some whey protein today. I think I'll do a fat burner. No, you want to have something planned out. So I take whey protein. I actually take some glutamine. I take creatine. I take a pre-workout. And pre-workout gets me to the gym. Makes me a lot of people don't believe in the pre-workout. I love it. It gives me a little bit of caffeine, a little bit of motivation to go to the gym. And I do creatine for muscle building and that kind of thing. But I have it all planned out. I know exactly what that looks like. Every morning I do the same thing. So if you guys like this, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Hey, make sure you comment. What are you doing to lose weight? Are you overthinking it? I know a lot of people do. What's your plan for losing weight? And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to click the bell notification on the side so you get notified of any future videos. Go out and make it an awesome day today, guys. Thank you so much.